Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for the Golf Wang Syndicate Vans that released in 2014. Also, I have bread toe ones and OVO 8s that I'm trying to sell. But let's go to the Golf Wangs. These are size 10 and they came out in 05-14. And these are the Old Skool Pros, the blue and pink. Okay, now let's look into the box. When Tyler was creating the shoe, he paid really close attention to the box because the quality of the box is insane. Look at all these cats, and the quality is like, the cat is like a next level quality. And it also came with extra pair of laces, this really light blue kind of color. Alright, now let's look at this bag. The bag comes with a Syndicate cat, let's just call him that, and it has a Vans tag. No other Vans I own comes in a dust bag, so these are like next level, you dig? And now look at this, you can already see from the soles there's more cats. These shoes are Sin/026, that's what it says on the size tag, and I believe that means these were the 26th pair made. And it also says professional skateboard shoe, just like most Old Skool Vans. Let's see. These shoes are crazy because like these shoes, like the color coordination does not go together, but they go together. You dig? Like, and it also says Golf Wang on the back, and I really like that. Like how it doesn't say golf golf or Wang Wang. You dig? And now here's some on feet video. I have size 10 OVOs. I was gonna do a review, but I did not really like the shoe, so I did not feel like doing a review. But I'm selling it for $400, size 10. DM me on Instagram. My Instagram will be coming right shortly.